Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Wait. What's this? Wait. Is this a couch? Or what? Oh, uh, did I just put a new pillow, or is it just me? Hmm. Okay, it's different and comfortable, but it's not a bed. What is this? I think it's a comfortably different couch. Oh my goodness. Alright. I'm gonna get out. Oh, wait. What happened here? I didn't expect to be here like this, but whatever. So, wait a minute. Where are my friends? Oh my goodness. They must have been trapped there forever. Oh my goodness. So, I don't know what happened here, but can somebody explain to me why am I in a different room like this? Yeah, let me see there. Go down there and find like a detective. Right there in the cupboard. Okay, it should be right here. Alright, so let me grab this to open. What? What? How did it get in the cupboard? What? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Why are they in the cupboard trapped? I don't get it. It's just like prison, but not expected to be. So, what are we gonna do now? Let me see. Ben! Uh, uh, wait, where am I? What is this place? I don't know, Ben. I think it's the place of my new living room, which is my office slash stuff room. Oh, okay, okay. So, can I go on the different couch now? Yes. Be assured it's completely comfortable. Yippee! Tom? Uh, why is the floor so cold? I think it's because we're in a different living room. I know it's the same, but still, it is a completely comfortable, luxurious, different room. What? Are you trying to tell me something? Of course. Why? Because I like it. It's brand new, luxury, and comfortable, but I think I like it so much that I like it. Because when I was your age, I would have trapped in this room, which is basically the old with these brown couches, but now it's white over there from now on. So yeah, you could just go on your great comfortable couch with Ben. Yay! Uh, hey, Chadia. Hey, that's not my place for my friends. What is this? I think it's just a new living room. Oh my goodness. Is that a table? Yes, I've seen it before. It's completely different from the other table, which is brown color. What? But but what about the brown table? Oh, we just discontinued that, so we have to pay taxes on it. Oh. Well, can I go with Tom and Ben on the couch? Sure you can. Yay! I want to freaking close it. I don't know why. Why are they in the cupboard? Let me see this. They're on the floor. I meant to be on the bed. Right there. Right there. And right there. Ugh. Okay, happy from now on. Whoa. Uh, wait, why is there a new, different, comfortable pillow? I think it's because it's bought for like $300. $300 of a pillow? Exactly. Um, uh, wait a minute, what? The couch is like differently comfortable as well. Yeah, I know. It's the same as the white new pillow, but I can assure you it's different and times may vary. What? Yeah, depending on the room change, the furniture change. Oh, I guess I'll just stay in bed with him. Ugh. Oh my goodness, why did your legs grow so big? Sorry, I meant to squish you, but it's not okay with it. Oh, so yeah, you could say that they're comfortably different. Wow. So go stay with him. And with her. Oh, okay. So, I don't know why we're trapped in this new room, Ben. I don't know. It's just like the old previous version of this room is completely discontinued after 2 years. 2 years? Of course, why? But I like the new room with the whatever. I think I'll just sleep here with the white luxurious stuff. Yeah, not the brown couches though at the table. Why? Because remember they were broken and they had to sell out for the tax yesterday. Oh, um, wait. You're telling me that this is a new room for stuff and office by him? Yes. Oh, okay. Wait. What's that? Huh? Huh? Guys, you may ask, why do you see the unicorn? Well, because I don't know her name, and I know it's a unicorn, but I haven't seen him since like a year ago. Oh, so guys, you see this character? This is a unicorn. So we have a new Alpha 7 character. Well, not Alpha 7 character, but still, it's called Penny the Unicorn. Wait, what? Penny? How did your name get that? Oh, my name Penny is named after I, the unicorn, got the penny for good luck. Oh, I can sure see that. Oh. So, yeah, I think this is part one of the new room, guys. So, guys, if you want to see part two, oh my goodness, my phone battery is dying. So, if you guys want to see part two of the new living room, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. So, I'll see you guys next time. Say bye. 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 Bye.